Hey guys, it's Leaf and Fran, and today we're going to be making some beautiful Teen Love necklaces. So the first thing you want to do is gather your supplies. We got these off the top of fizzy cans. Baby scissors and some baker's twine. Okay, so now we're going to open the baker's twine. Open the baker's twine. Okay, so now we're going to take our little things, hold them, thank you, and we're going to unravel the baker's twine. And you want it a good length so that it fits around like a nice, good necklace. Wait. And now we're going to cut the twine with the scissors. And then what you want to do is grab one of these guys that tickles your fancy, and this is a little complicated, so you're going to want to really, watch what we do. Parental supervision. Yeah, so you want to get one of the holes and you want to put the twine through it, just like that.
And we'll take the rubbish now.
And yeah, then you have your necklace, really. All you need to do then is decide... Get a pelvis tied up at the back. Decide how long you'd like it to hang, whether you want a choker or, I wouldn't do that. You wouldn't do that? It might hurt you. Some people would do that. And there's your necklace, perfectly long. And now we're going to keep making them, and then we're going to be doing a bit of a giveaway. So if you want your own, send us your address. We'll have it in the mail, lickety split. Yeah, these are a really great idea to make for your friends. You can all be wearing birthday presents, Christmas presents, Easter presents, Hanukkah presents. You can also, if you're not really a jewelry gal, you can also hang them up as, decor in your house. Yeah. Yeah. I find the guests are always very impressed. Yeah, really nice, really minimalistic. Yeah, so leave us your address. We can send one your way. Here are the finished products. If you want one, remember to just send us in your address and we'll send them right to your door. Also today we just want to give out a few shout outs to some of our loyal fans, Hobby and Lily. And shout out to all of our subscribers, all of you. You all deserve one. Thanks. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. And a video response. Video response. Bye guys. Bye.